Good morning, guys. We are at the job site working on the deck project. This will be our last day today. We're going to start by getting our stringers all cut out for our stairs. We're going to get those all assembled right here. They're going to be 5-foot wide stairs, closed in on the bottom and the backs. And then we're going to start working on our handrail. For this job here, we're going to be using the Fortress metal spindles. These really dress it up. I like these a lot. But that being said, let's quit wasting time. Let's finish this sucker up. There we go. Drill is not happy. Smoking. Come on. It's mad. I think it might be dead. Doesn't want to go. Alright guys, I just got done setting these stringers up, and I noticed I had a little bit of a hump in my concrete right here. So I had to turn this off with my oscillating tool just a little bit to get my stringers to lay level across. We're a little bit low on this one, so I'll have to shim that one up. But other than that, the concrete's pretty flat. Alright guys, this is how I do my steps. I got everything cut to what length they're supposed to be, and I kind of got everything loosely sitting here. So now I can set this up by hand. I'm going to kind of square everything up, make sure everything looks right, measure out, mark my bottoms, and then let the middle be what they are. That way you have to fight a lot less things along the way. So that's kind of the system I do. You know, I leave this last board out right here because I got to put my 2 posts down here, but I'll kind of loosely fit everything first. That way you don't start putting everything down, you find out you're off a 1/4 inch or a 1/2 inch, and then you got to start over, take everything apart. So a little tip for you there. Alright guys, we got the steps all done. We just got to get these 2 sides closed off here, then we're going to move on to our handrails and we're out of here. So went pretty smooth. It was lined up really nice. It's about my favorite size to build steps, 2 5/4 boards wide. Then I try to keep my heights right around 7 inches, so worked out good. Alright guys, here's another tip for you here. What I usually like to do, since I know my deck's nice and level and I have to be under 4 inches from here to here, is I'll just take a 2x4 piece of I cut a piece of 2x4 and just set it here, and I set one there, then I set my block and my 2x4 right on top of that. Then I know I'm flat, and I know I'm in code, and then I put my other 2x4 flush to the top, and this lets me line up my spindle perfectly, and I'm still in code. So quicker way to do it. Guys, got all the woodwork done, everything's framed in, got everything routed off nice so it feels good when you grab it. All I have left is put these spindles on, and unfortunately this is time consuming. I don't know why, but they put all the screws in separate packages for every single spindle, but we're going to try and speed it up. Made a little jig here, go like that. That sets my height, and that sets my spacing. Then that way I can hopefully speed this up a little bit. All right, guys, that's a wrap for this one. We finished it up. It looks beautiful. Take a look at her. Tell me what you think. We got new columns built in here. I love it. Customer's happy.